Namaste. Today I'm going to show you how to make a ghee candle. So you need these little cotton wicks that you can get from an Indian store for a couple of dollars. I put them in a glass container because when the candles come out they're going to be hot, so you'll put them back in a glass container, and you basically need some ghee. So we're going to heat the pot, but not too hot, just warm, and pour the ghee in there. Mix in the ghee wicks now. Here we go. There's a candle. I've put it in a little candle holder that you can get also from an Indian store. Now the ghee will burn. That's a little ghee candle. If you want it to burn longer, you can pour more ghee in and around this area or add camphor to it. Thank you. And this is what it looks like, all done.